Today I am going to fix the Windows 10 installation error from USB boot. Firstly, I will turn on a PC or laptop from power button. In case of Dell, I will press F12 to go to boot menu. There I will select USB storage to start new installation. Press any key. Now let's boot from USB. Setup starts. Press next button. Install now. And here is our error. Now we will resolve this error. Okay. Click on browse button. I will search here my USB device. As you can see, there is no USB device. Press cancel. Unplug your USB device from computer or laptop and plug it again. Now click browse button. And as you can see, here is my bootable device USB. Click OK. You got error again, so close this window. Yes, and repeat. Repress the button. Install now. As you can see, now we have resolved our error and setup goes to installation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press like button and subscribe my channel for more updates.